Hi guys, it's Dark CJ. I'm gonna show you the top 3 servers. It's my favorite server. So let's start with the top 1. The IP is the IP is playscarmc.org. It has open factions. Just gonna pause it because it's okay. Sorry. Logging in, just gonna pause it because private. So I'm done logging in. So I'm gonna show you the prison. There. This is a tour for the prison. I'm just gonna tour that all. Just gonna tour prison. And this is the servers. Feeling particles like this. In my head. Yeah, it's so cool. And this torch, you are gonna hide all the players. So I'm the only at the hub. And this is the website. So I'm gonna go for the server, JerseyCraft, and go to Mega 3.0. So this is the server Prey Prison. This is OP. Yeah, OP. So I'm gonna show you the PvP. So this is the PvP. There's no much people in here. It's just like them, my friends. It's the PvP area. And you can go there. That's the mine. It's the mining area. So that is Rambo. All things like that and slime and that. Prismarine! I don't know the name. So I'm just gonna show you I'm gonna show you the mines. So the first mine is we're gonna spot A. It's this. So I'm up the rank an officer and I can park officer. So this is the officer. You get to rank Z, which is the things. Rank Z. There is diamond, obsidian, and more. So the top, I'm gonna show you the top 2. The top 2 is Tagcraft MC.network and the IP is playtagcraftmc.com. And we're just gonna join in. So there is zombie survival that is not able in a regular Guncraft, Factions, Creative, Survival Games, Quake. There's the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna see you the Hall of Fame. It's the Fire Master. So this is the Hall of Fame. The Hall of Fame is for over VIPs and staff members. This is done an admin. So the owner is Charlie and he's not there. So that's the VIPs and stops. So I'm just gonna show you the creative. You can type this. So it's creative. Just type GM1. This is not mine. Just kidding. This is mine. So this is the place where you can build creative the plots, and I'm going to show this fun. You can change your character to spider, pig, mole, the basics mode. That's the for beef, for beef, for beef, and for us, cow, for pig. So this is the spawn. There's the PvP area, and this is the outside. That's the outside. It looks pretty cool. And she's the owner, Charlie, the owner. I mean, not Charlie, I'm sorry, Chucky. I forgot it because, you know, it's Chucky. Chucky. There's a player. And now I'm gonna show you the third. So, step 3 is the Team Extreme. So, I'm just gonna wait because it's hard to join it. So, I can't join that top 3, so I'm just gonna show you another top 3. It's Guildcraft. I'm gonna, and the IP is playguildcraft.org. And there is many games, and I'm just gonna show you the creative. So the creative in this is beautiful. Like that. So you can play in here. That's the plots, and that's the spawn. It's a little bit laggy. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.